Good day, everybody. It's Projects on Wheels here, back on the old Prerunner build. As you can see, things have been changing. So I got this cage all stripped down, except for even the front end's pretty well stripped. And I got to remake those shock mounts. That's kind of the fork in the road right now. It's either do that or piddle around with other stuff. So I figure I better just jump right in and tackle some shock mounts. So I got my TIG set up and a bunch of parts. That's everything for the truck. There's so much stuff over there. It's kind of cool, kind of expensive, and oh well. But can't go back now. So gonna work on this. I'll do this like every other video. Let's bring you along and show you what I'm up. I'm moving along a lot faster than I'm filming here, but I just wanted to show I am getting my brackets made. I was going to try time-lapsing all this and filming it, but it's pretty hard for me to set up a camera and work. I am working from a power chair, and I am a little limited, so I'll just show what I can. But I got my mounts all made, and I've tacked these ones on this side, and the flutes, I don't have it bolted together, but the flutes do clear the main body shocks. So I'm going to tack the ones on the other side there and then put it all together, and then I'll show you guys. Here we go, everyone. This is what I've been working on. I got them in. Bypasses and coilovers. Got my mounts in. They're not permanent yet. They're just tacked on top. I can't really lift my arms any higher here, sorry, but I just had to get them in and see what they looked like. The bypass mounts are welded in solid on both sides. I just got to do a support for these uppers on the coilovers. And I finally got it somewhat started here. Well, just mocking up. I got the sway bar and my limiting straps. I've been saying those forever, so it feels good to start at least planning on that. I think I'm going to finish my suspension and just weld that in permanent now, but almost done the back, I suppose. I'm really excited. I've done quite a bit on this truck in the last couple weeks, so I'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching. I just want to show you the suspension travel in this video. I was goofing around with it, so check that out. It's got a lot of lift. It squats pretty good. I'm gonna have to measure it. I know those bypasses are 160 from end to end millimeters, so I'm just pushing off the rear bumper. It's just, there's no oil in any of the coilovers, so that's just the power of the spring. So when I let off from the welding table, it comes up about inch and a half. But I definitely wanted to just throw this in here. It's pretty smooth. It feels really smooth. So that's cool. I just wanted to show you guys. Good day, guys. I guess this is a new day since the last video in this series, but I wanted to show I've been working all day. I made my limiting straps. I got them on both sides. So there's a tab on this honcho axle. I'm just using the top one. And then I made some tabs out of the L channel, and I got them on both sides. You can see these are, I think, 106 mil limiting straps for the UDR aftermarket, but I guess it doesn't really matter how long they are because I made my own tabs and everything. So I'll cycle it here once I can set my camera up. Yeah, I'm back, guys. Just had to get repositioned. So oh man, this truck's pretty heavy, and I can't lift much on my own, but I can barely get it. See, you can see I can wiggle it. So they are keeping the shocks from completely being at full length. Look at that. Oh, it looks really, really good. I wish I could film better for you guys. It's just hard for me. But yeah, I can. It's holding the axle taut to the chassis, so that's good. I tried to do it. I think I measured it. I tried to get it so there was 1/8, an 1/8 inch still in the shocks. So they are going to work, and they are going to save my shocks, I hope. So right on. I want to keep on working here. Sway bar is up now. Okay, I'm back. New day, still working. I'm working on sway bar, and I'm making mounts for it right now. So these are the mounts that I've been working on. So this is that square 1x1 that I've been building everything on. I just cut it. I tigged on a little extender just out of the same metal on each side. So these are the tabs off my honcho axle SCX6. So I'm just gonna mount these. I kind of got them curved, so that'll just butt up against that, and then the link bars here will attach to that. There is my sway bar. That's where I'm gonna put it. Yesterday I didn't film or show or anything, but these, I gotta get my hands here, sorry. These are my mounts for those, or for the torsion bar. So this is a slash steel axle. I took it all apart, and then inside, I don't know if you can tell, there, focus. Doesn't matter. Inside here is 3/16 brake line. So what I did is I slightly drilled out the threads inside here. They're not the threads, the splines, sorry. And hammered in. That's very well friction fit in there. Brake line 3/16, which fits this rod perfectly, the torsion bar rod. So now I could weld, once I get everything set up, this to my cage. I have something to weld to and hold the torsion bar. So this is going to be a pretty cool setup. Once again, I want to keep on I want to show time lapse and stuff, but it's just hard to get that all set up. So I'm working away and just kind of doing updates as I go. So okay, guys, I'm back. So I got that mount made. This side is pretty well done. I don't know if I'm going to do any other shaving, so I'll show you. It'll be somewhere around here. So you can see it works pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. So that's my mount. It's just attached to this SCX6 or differential. Looks pretty good. Now to make the other side. Hey everyone, I got the right side done. Not sure if everything is final shaped, but good enough for now. I'm pretty pleased with it. 2 bolts holding it to the housing, and there we go. So those are my axle pieces I made to hold the torsion bar or the sway bar. So I got to find where, make sure nothing binds. I got to cycle it here, and there we go. You can see better. And then I'll weld that to the cage. I'm not sure if I'm going to make, I'm going to call it a foot to weld the axle housing to, and then the cage, or just weld it straight to. We'll see here. Okay, so I cycled it quite a few times, and this seems to be the sweet spot. This is where nothing's binding, so this is where I'm going to weld it. Oh, I just moved it, but that's all right. Pretty excited. Look at that. I kind of really like this truck. It's been a lot of work. I'm just happy I'm able to do this. I'm pretty blessed. So thanks for watching. Okay, everyone. I'm a pretty happy feller right now. Staring at this truck. I got it all, well, the back half done. So I got the sway bar tacked in, heavily tacked, but it's in there nonetheless. It works really good. I'll cycle it here in a minute. I made these support bars for the coilovers for both sides. They're tacked in. Yeah, I know all my welds are pretty icky, but I'll tune them up. Don't worry. They're strong. That's what matters. Yeah, limiting straps, the sway bars. Let's see the mounts, both coming off the honcho axle there. Just bolted right up. Really, really good. So we'll look at this side. I'll try to cycle it here for you. But yeah, oh, it works really, really, really good. So happy.